Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and really weird at times. And today's topic is sharing tips on where to find royalty-free music. I'm gonna have to go out there and say, first of all, YouTube has a ton and it's free. So if you're putting your music on, or excuse me, your films, your product, your craft, your shorts, your long form, etc. If you're putting anything on YouTube, they've got a ton of really great music that you can use that's royalty free, some of which you can use without mentioning in the comments, some of which you do need to mention the artist in the comments. Make sure you do that or else they'll pull your video and you'll get a strike and you'll go home sad and eventually you'll have to start another YouTube channel because you'll lose everything. So don't do that. Another company that I've used in the past was called Triple Scoop Music, and they had a ton of content that you could basically license, and it was royalty free. You had to pay for it, but the prices on it were so much cheaper than like contacting Interscope Records or Capitol or any of the other record labels and saying, hey, I want to license this song. And they're like, yeah, it's like $150,000. It was like a fraction of that. One of the latest companies that I'm actually using for music, sound effects, and just a whole bunch of other stuff is Artlist. I think it's artlist.io is their website. I don't have a sponsorship. They're not paying me or giving me anything to say anything about this, nor is YouTube. I am paying for all of this out of my own pocket. So let me clear that up really fast. And yeah, it's just my experience with it. They've got great product, great customer service, and the prices are pretty reasonable. So check that out. What about you? What do you guys use out there in the world? Share downstairs in the Kilt Zone. I'd like to be able to check out what different products you use to license your music royalty-free. And let's wrap it up. Yeah. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. Congratulations. Yay! If you're not a subscriber and you're not following these videos, well, you are now. So subscribe, hit the bell. Ding dong, I'll send a raven the next time the episode comes out, and make sure you like, comment, share with all your friends. Tag people, tag your enemies, tag your best friend, tag your girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, whoever it might be, your dog, your cat. Tag somebody. And that's it. Let's wrap it up. Yeah. Oh, I said that. And that's it. Hey, fumbling, hello. That's why it's so real and authentic. You know what? I obviously need to get more of this, so until next time, remember to do something properly. You know what it is. Oh, yeah. Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Oh, here we go. Okay, now I'll go. Bye, guys.